Hull City shock Man United. Face Fire 2-0 match highlights Ajayi and Mendy stunning goals. Fire Hull City shock Manchester United. Face Soccer 2-0 match highlight. What a stunning opening day in the Premier League. Hull City produced a sensational performance at the MKM Stadium, defeating Manchester United 2-0 in a result that shocked football fans around the world. Fire. Hull City started with incredible energy and refused to sit back against the visitors. Manchester United had plenty of possession, but Hull looked dangerous whenever they attacked and made the most of their set-piece opportunities. The breakthrough came in the 17th minute. A dangerous corner caused chaos inside the Manchester United penalty area, and Ajayi reacted quickest to fire Hull City into a 1-0 lead. Soccer Fire. Manchester United tried to respond, but Hull remained organized and aggressive. The visitors struggled to create clear-cut chances, while Hull continued to threaten from set pieces. Then came another huge moment. In the 38th minute, Hull won another dangerous set piece. Ajayi Mendy rose to meet Regan Slater's delivery and headed the ball into the net. Collision Soccer. Hull City 2-0 Manchester United. The home supporters were absolutely electric as the Tigers went into halftime with a stunning 2-goal advantage. After the break, Manchester United pushed forward in search of a comeback. Marcus Rashford was introduced and provided some attacking threat, while United continued to dominate possession. But Hull's defense stood firm. Manchester United created opportunities and finished the match with more possession and shots, yet they could not find a way past Hull goalkeeper Konstantinos Tzalakis, who produced important saves and kept a clean sheet. Gloves Fire. As the final whistle approached, the pressure increased, but Hull remained disciplined and protected their advantage. Full time. Trophy Hull City 2-0 Manchester United. Goals Soccer Ball 17. Ajayi Soccer Ball 38 Ajayi Mendy. It was a dream Premier League return for Hull City and a nightmare opening day for Manchester United. The victory was also Hull's first-ever Premier League win over Manchester United. Fire watch the biggest moment Soccer Ball Ajayi's opener collision. Mendys header. Gloves incredible saves face screaming in fear Man United shock trophy full match highlights. Who was your player of the match?